So we decide to go camping, right? Glamping, camping, whatever it is. But some people decide that them not come outside. Them outside, but them not come outside. Because they're afraid of mosquito and bugs. Let me show you. Boo,
Safe
come
zone.
out of the tent.
Safe zone, Shana.
Come out of the tent. It's early morning and the
I'm
mosquitoes
outside.
are not roaming that much right now.
I'm outside.
You're not really outside. Come
They're,
out of the tent.
they're not roaming for you, but they're coming after me.
Come no man.
No,
It's not that bad,
this
bro.
is far enough.
It's not that bad. Come out, come enjoy the view. Look at the view. Come enjoy the view.
I'm seeing the view here, Shana.
Watch it. Watch it.
Mosquito in here.
Same thing. They know that's how you must come out.
Uh-uh.